Let's start with filing and shaping natural nails. Select the correct nail tip size for each finger and apply them. Cut the tips to your desired length and shape them to perfection. Next, apply builder gel over the entire nail, creating structure and a strong apex. Cure properly. Shape them to your desired length. Apply your base gel and cure to create a flawless foundation. Using a rich brown shade, create a clean French tip. Keep it crisp, sharp, and perfectly balanced. Cure them again. Next, add the leopard print detail. Using a fine brush, place irregular brown spots along the tip, then lightly outline them with a deeper shade or black for that signature leopard print effect. Cure when set. After completing the leopard print design, we carefully added tiny gold stones for an elegant finish. Refine if needed, then seal the entire look with a high gloss top coat and cure. Finish with cuticle oil for that polished luxury finish. A modern twist on the classic brown French tips elevated with bold leopard detail.